This is Carrie Claypool with your DIY for the day, and today we're going to talk about sunscreen. Now, a lot of what you can buy at the store has a lot of harmful chemicals that you can't even pronounce, and you can actually Google harmful ingredients in sunscreen, and they cause cancer, which is the whole reason why we wear sunscreen to begin with. So you can find some with natural ingredients, or you can make your own. Now today I already have some mineral sunscreen lotion, which has zinc oxide, and then it has a lot of good ingredients like the red raspberry seed and the carrot seed oil, all which contain SPF. But it's really thick. If you've ever bought zinc oxide before, you know, I can barely get it squeezed out. It's thicker than like a toothpaste. So I want to try today to make it more like a lotion. So I'm going to use the coconut oil, which I already have about 1/4 of a cup in here, and I want to add about 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. And then this may take a while. I want actually about 4 tablespoons of the sunscreen. Let's see if I can squeeze this out. We've already used quite a bit of this, but I want to try to make it more like a lotion, so it's not so hard to squeeze out that, you know, you can just put it on real quick. And I could probably take a spoon. I'm actually going to use this immersion blender and fit that in there. And now it's a nice consistency. Now if it's too, you know, runny for you, you could always add more of the zinc. And I will be sure to label this, as right now it just says coconut oil. I'd hate for anyone to use it cooking. But it makes a nice lotion, and then I can just spread it all around and then apply it as many times as I need. I can also, you know, put it in a squeeze bottle like this so that it's easier to put on. And there you go. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, subscribe below, and you can find me on Facebook at Every Single Drop with Carrie Claypool, and I will see you next time.